ready for the next battle.
First match of the night, LtrainLocomotive versus Askshanerblx. Got those Kyus. Sure not a downer on skill. You have any rank you like and still be good. Let's go. First round. L-Train all dressed up for the occasion. Let's go. Shaner showing the electrics. Doing some combos. Got that Leo in there. Ooh, nice back three from L-Train. Got that rage mode. And the snazzy little law. Nice. Gets the down 2-3. Down 1-3. Nice wall combo. Hits the shoulder. Forced the tag crash. Oh, L-Train keeping a little too long. Wow, survives that. Nicely done from L-Train. Pulling it through. Making way, staying patient. Look for the down 4-2 counter hit. Tying the shoes. And electrics come out. Askshaner with the combo. Nice. Caught him ducking there. Switches positions. Trying to catch him on the last hit. No. No punish there. 1-2. Working the boxing skills. Nice. Swift punish from Askshaner. Getting a few quick pokes in. L-Train, nice flip kick. Bringing the combo. And the bound. Not going to reach the wall from here. Got some good red life from L-Train. Trying to push him through the corner, but Askshaner taking it around, tying it up 1-1. Good lows. Staying outside. Askshaner. Getting some pokes. Down back 2. Nice. No sweet mix up there. L-Train. Really pushing the way in. Down back 4. Gets the counter. And a stomp. Trying to bring it to the wall. Askshaner with a tag. Just outside on the Art Blast. Phoenix stance. Good. Good punish. Gets the low mix up. Good block. Askshaner. It doesn't block that low. L-Train getting the tag in. Bringing in Lars. Getting the combo. Force the tag crash, but whiffs the tag crash. Almost gets really punished hard. Equal lives. 4-4-2. Askshaner looking to close it out in this game. L-Train trying to get things going here. Looking for his moment. Down 4-2. There it is. Picking up a combo. Going for the tag assault. May as well, leaving his opponent with rage. Askshaner looking for a tag in. Decides to tag crash. Oh, just a tip. Askshaner with a low. Oh, that orbital L-Train. Oh, just outside on that combo ender. L-Train with the lows. Decides to fall down. Askshaner. Interesting. 10 hit, no dice, no lows, L-Train, not blocking low. Force the tag, nice, down 4-2 from Askshaner. Nice, down 4-2, punish on the orbital heel. That should be it. Nicely done, Askshaner. Taking game 1.
Get ready for the next battle.
No character changes. Same sides. Askshaner with the Kyus. L-Train with the Savior.
Round 1.
Taking it through the school. Run up throw. Interesting round start from L-Train. Keeping the pressure high with the interrupts. Stealing turns. Nice jab. Wow, caught him with the tag. Good parry. L-Train heating up. Oh, just a little too close. Run up through. Cross chop from Askshaner. Rage Heihachi. Oh, try to look for a way in. L-Train ready with that counter. Found this moment. Now Askshaner forced to answer for this. Got the counter hit. L-Train looking for a tag. Nice punish. Askshaner punishing L-Train. Oh, caught him with the throw. Askshaner returning the favor on throws. Time counting down. Running slide. Askshaner with the jab.
Round 2. Fight.
Forward 2. That answers the sidestep move from Lars. L-Train hurting from that. Tried to get out of there. Askshaner says no with the perfect.
Round 3. Fight.
Nice forward 4. Making use of those kicks. Electricity. L-Train falling apart. Askshaner putting the pressure on. And the flip kicks. Here comes L-Train. That orbital. Ooh, big whip there. Nice. Down back 2. Askshaner has 2 rounds over L-Train. L-Train's got to get creative. And forward 2. Nicely placed from Askshaner. Getting the combo. L-Train hurting. Got that rage though. 1, 2. Oh, man, should have committed for the down 2-3. A little late for desperation. And Askshaner moving on into the winner's bracket. L-Train going